kids! Today we are going to do a fun activity. We are making a porcupine. We take an A4 sheet and trace the shape of porcupine, which is like a water droplet. We are darkening the edges so that our porcupine looks better. We do it very carefully. Now, we are going to cut the porcupine's body carefully. Make sure that you take the help of an adult. Do it very carefully. The body of the porcupine is ready. Now we are giving details like mouth and eyes. We have cut some circles. And with the help of the glue, we stick the circles in the eyes, nose, and cheeks. Now we make the pupils. Our porcupine is halfway ready. We cut some colored strips and fold them into halves like this. Now we use the glue and pour it in different directions. And we put the strips like needles on its body. Our porcupine is ready. We have cut its feet and we put the glue on those feet and stick them to the porcupine's body like this. Our porcupine is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.